Man, it ain't nobody in the world can get me on my feet again until we hit Memphis, unless this boat sinks.
I'm tired, too.
And if I never see a bale of cotton no more in life, that'll be too soon. What's that?
Must be them traveling Mensa boys got on at New Orleans.
Boy, have you seen Slim Brown? She's the finest gal in town. Turns all Memphis upside down.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
She's the dark-eyed Dick's queen. Boy, she got it mean. Struttingest gal I ever seen.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Now, you should see her when she gets going. Reminds you of the Mississippi flow.
Oh, you dog.
Think you boys is hot enough?
Yes, of course, hot enough.
Well, come on, boys. Let's play the stuff.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. I'm doing skip out the good. You can't do no skip out the good. Yes, I can't do about the good. Yeah, man, yeah, man.
You can't take no cars, too.
Yes, I can take a cars, too. Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I can do some shuffling, too.
Look out, man. What you going to do?
Look out, boys. It's coming through.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Boy, he got educated feet.
Boy, I practice all the time. Here's one I sat up all night trying to do. Get this.
When the boat dock at Memphis, you should get yourself a job in one of them Beale Street cafes.
Boy, you've been reading my mind. Watch me go to Beale Street.